I'm not sure that a cross or a shot, but Sakuna tries to assert himself as the number one. One goal conceded so far, that one against TS Galaxy. They deal with this one, Shabalala. Back post. Gonzalez and Tetris. Good pressure by Kaizer Chiefs. Good luck from Shabalala. He has a chance for Mark, tries to bend it. Just doesn't get the curve as possible. The idea you could see from Yusuf Mark. Gonzalez.
Onside.
Onside. Ball into the middle. There's opportunity for Captain City. They're at home against Chiefs. This is a curler. Shabalala, Duprea, Godinho on the head, and away for another corner. Down stadium, we've had a weekend of draws in the Betway Premiership. So if we have a result. Oh, referee's allowed play to continue. Rhodes trying to weave his way from Chuez down this left-hand side. Uba. Now the chase for Duprea. Sika coming across.
Number 9. It's 2K! 2K! 2K1!
Penalty area gets the shots across. Not like we particularly used him at centre back also for a short while. Sika cuts that out. First touch gets him down. Space now. Looking for Sakuna, and he gets there ahead of the goalkeeper. No, he doesn't. Boomer makes it. Shabalala takes this. Ignacio Miguel goes for the header. Tekla over the top. Looking for Boomer. Does right hand side. Christian Saini. He get it square. Uses his strength.
Yo! Show him the ball! Oh!
Blocked by Nyama.
Hey, 2K exchange. Hey, you're 7 kids. No, that's what I like. Hey, I'm born. Hey, you're time.
Too strong. Something on here for Gonzalez, played into Chueza. Now, that last touch inside of Sakuna. Gonzalez just gets it stuck up by Gonzalez headed away across with some power.
E2K.
He hasn't checked. Doesn't find a prayer. On the right hand side, and Dada again. For Kaizer. Source of hesitation. And Buma had it covered. All he had to do was pick it up. But Miguel obviously didn't take any chances. Always say what's in front of him. By Rhodes. Pass from Goalie. Presents an opportunity here. Chueza. He's going to go for goal himself. Short spells of Pirates in Maritzburg. His last job at Maritzburg. Now, Tekla forward, finds Duprea. He has time to turn. Chases on for Shabalala. There's a bit of a mismatch there. Now Siley. Mark wants it.
E2K.
Goes inside.
E2K.
He's going to try the shot. Very versatile in terms of his positioning. Finds Duprea. That's a good challenge from him. But Duprea back in again and gets the ball across the face of goal. Now Duba with a shot blocked by Mark now. Duba into the area. Looking to find Mart again. Now Sprosla. So right on cue from Mr. Vardy. So, goalless here, your thoughts, Sean? Get the flow in on the far side.
There's enough numbers in the box, so just needed a better cross from Reeve.
Header away from Chiesa. Rolled up by Sukuna. Modada, that's a good pass. Now Gonzalez. Here they come. Kaizer City. 3 against 1. Gonzalez. Goal! Simply done. As predicted by Sean Martin. As Cape Town City take
From Kaizer Chiefs, though, not having enough security at the back. From a long throw, you go and concede a goal. But Cape Town City definitely capitalized on that mistake from Kaizer Chiefs.
First league goal of the season for Darwin Gonzalez. Anga Chibavaro is standing by to come on. Sukuna gets the better of his marker inside. He had to Rhodes. Rhodes with a chance for another one. Stand by. Shabalala to the byline. With recovery. Since for United 5, those are the teams below them. Too strong from the Marks. Topper has gone on the overlap. Ball inside to Shabalala. Up wide here to Dupree. Across the face of goal. Frosler for Shabalala. Shabalala, no way through Gordinho. Last week, Chiefs on the road, 2 wins, 2 draws, 2 losses in 6 away league matches so far this season. It's supposed to be a 28, but Yusuf Michael left-footed shot. Given the people after the booking, still to be on the field. There's the delivery towards the back. Cross stretches in there. Gloves on. Sean, can you explain that? Gonzalez, Avuma. Keeping an eye on Shabalala. And Texas. Desperate at the moment. He has another turn from Shabalala. Shabalala being watched all the way by Kaizer. Cuts inside. Shabalala. He cuts in, he's looking there for Chiesa. This is a very good save out of Vuma.
I think everybody expected him to go to the
City. In a hotel for Bushing celebrations on the bench.